Hot glue guns are essential for crafting, repairs, home projects, and DIY tasks. They melt glue to stick different materials together like fabric, glass, plastic, and wood. There are many products available to choose hot glue guns, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hot glue guns from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mini Hot Glue Gun with 30 Glue Sticks. This glorious hot glue gun is an ideal tool for arts, crafts, and household repairs. This adhesive dries out quickly and gives a strong bond for various applications like crafting, woodworking, school projects, packaging, repairing, and recreational decor for DIYers, artists, or crafters. With its PTC ceramic heating system with a 20-watt power rating, the gun heats up faster and thereby releases glue within 3–5 minutes. The anti-drip and precise nozzle with rubber protector of the gun are designed to enhance productivity, while its built-in retractable metal stand-up base will stabilize the gun and prevent it from tipping. Thus, you can operate the gun quickly, safely, flexibly, efficiently, and comfortably with utmost precision in any position. Its robust build quality can withstand up to 500F that allows you to fix wood, ceramic, glass, paper, metal, plastic, shell, lace, wicker, or fabric. It has sturdy 55 inches long cord, making it accessible to use from different locations upon convenient plug-in. It is equipped with a power switch with an LED indicator allowing you to turn on/off and pause the gun easily. Apart from a compact body, the gun has smooth trigger propulsion for a convenient grip and well-controlled flow without mess or waste. Number 2. Dual Temp Hot Glue Gun with 25 PCS Glue Sticks. Kelda is a smaller brand of hot glue guns when compared with other brands present in this article, with its model offering a low price tag. The Kelda Hot Glue Gun is the cheapest option present in this article that has a highly affordable price tag that results in a high value for money. As per its name, it offers 2 temperature modes for precision and control, while using its 20-watt heating element. As for its glue stick support, it uses slightly smaller 725-inch glue sticks. A great thing about this hot glue gun is that it offers a 1-year-long warranty along with a great build quality. Since you get 25 glue sticks along with it, you can start using it right away. Number 3. SureBonder Hot Glue Gun. SureBonder is one of the most popular brands of glue and related tools that makes a wide range of hot glue gun models out there, including this one. The SureBonder Pro 220 Hot Glue Gun is present in the first position in this article, as it is one of the most powerful options out there. As per its name, it uses a 220-watt heating element that offers a wide range of adjustable temperature range. It allows you to easily change this temperature using its lighted on and off adjustment switch. As for its glue stick size support, it uses 716-inch thick glue sticks that is quite common when compared with other options. While the build quality offered by it is quite good, you only get a 90-day long warranty with it. Number 4. Pro 2 100-watt high-temperature professional heavy-duty hot glue gun. We are here with another hot glue gun from SureBonder that is quite affordable than the previous model mentioned in this article. SureBonder's Pro 2 100 hot glue gun is its affordable and value for money option due to its ideal power rating of 100 watts. Despite the lower power rating, it can achieve high temperatures and easily melt its 716-inch glue sticks. Although the build quality offered by it is quite good, you only get a 90-day long warranty with it that can be an issue for a lot of users out there. As for its body, you get a high grip and ergonomic design that allows you to easily use it for a long time. Affordable and value for money hot glue gun. Decent performance from the 100-watt heating element. Ergonomic design for prolonged usage. Number 5. SureBonder Cordless Corded High Temperature Mini Hot Glue Gun. Coming to the last option in this article, we have yet another hot glue gun model from SureBonder that is its cheapest option available out there. The SureBonder CL195F Hot Glue Gun is not made for heavy-duty applications at all. Instead, it is oriented towards simpler art and craft jobs with its small 20-watt heating element. This is also true for its glue stick size support of 516-inch that is smaller than other models. Since SureBonder is a reputable brand of hot glue guns, it offers a great build quality. But just like any other hot glue gun from SureBonder, This one also has just a 90-day long warranty. That is a downside of this model. Decent build quality for peace of mind. Small size for ease of use. Ideal for home usage. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.